The tech industry is buzzing with anticipation as Apple prepares to fundamentally redefine what an ultra-portable computing device can achieve in 2026 with the upcoming iPad Mini 8. For years, the compact tablet segment has been viewed as a secondary market, but the upcoming release of the completely redesigned powerhouse premium compact tablet changes everything. Tech enthusiasts and professional creators are on high alert because the leaked blueprints for the iPad Mini 8 reveal a hardware shift so monumental it bridges the gap between pocket-sized convenience and desktop-grade performance. Rumors from the supply chain indicate that production lines are already spinning up to deliver an iPad Mini 8 that completely ignores previous limitations. If you've been holding on to an older model or waiting for a reason to upgrade, this shift marks the precise moment everything changes. Industry insiders are pointing to a total overhaul of the iPad Mini 8 architecture, which ensures that this compact machine will outperform laptops from just a couple of years ago. The strategy relies on bringing absolute top-tier engineering into a form factor that fits comfortably in one hand. We are looking at a paradigm shift where size no longer dictates capability, and the leaks coming out of the supply chain confirm that the tech giant is leaving nothing on the table with the new iPad Mini 8. At the very heart of this upcoming revolution lies a piece of silicon that defies expectations for a device of this footprint. Apple is reportedly bypassing intermediate chip generations to plant their absolute latest 3-nanometer powerhouse processor directly into the chassis of the iPad Mini 8. This is not a scaled-down or thermally throttled version of a mobile chip, but a full-throttle silicon masterpiece designed to handle intense computational workflows on the iPad Mini 8. This means the upcoming compact tablet will effortlessly manage multiple streams of high-resolution video editing, rendering complex 3D environments, and compiling heavy code on the fly. The architecture utilizes advanced machine learning cores that optimize power distribution in real time, so the iPad Mini 8 only draws maximum energy when the workload absolutely demands it. This clever engineering completely solves the thermal throttling issues that plagued previous compact designs. Creators who need to edit on location or professionals who manage extensive databases while traveling will find themselves holding computational power that rivals a high-end workstation within the iPad Mini 8. The integration of this silicon also hints at unprecedented software capabilities, allowing desktop-class applications to run natively without a single stutter or dropped frame on the iPad Mini 8. Beyond raw processing power, the visual experience of the iPad Mini 8 is getting an upgrade that will completely overshadow every previous generation. Supply chain documents strongly suggest an iPad Mini 8 transition to a tandem light, emitting diode architecture similar to what we have seen on the absolute highest-tier professional tablets. This display breakthrough offers deep true blacks alongside an astonishing peak brightness level that makes high dynamic range content practically jump off the screen of the iPad Mini 8. Whether you are reviewing footage under direct sunlight or mastering a color-critical photo project in a studio, the accuracy and vibrancy of the iPad Mini 8 will be unmatched. This display upgrade is paired with a variable refresh rate that scales from a battery-saving single frame per second all the way up to a buttery, smooth 120 Hz. This dynamic adjustment ensures that scrolling through articles, reading digital documents, and navigating the user interface of the iPad Mini 8 feels incredibly responsive while preserving precious battery juice when the screen is static. The bezels of the iPad Mini 8 are also rumored to be shaved down to the absolute mathematical limit, maximizing the viewable canvas while maintaining the incredibly compact physical footprint that makes this device so unique. Design aesthetics for the iPad Mini 8 are shifting toward a highly refined industrial look that emphasizes durability and premium tactile feedback. The chassis of the iPad Mini 8 is expected to utilize an advanced aerospace-grade titanium alloy, replacing the traditional aluminum enclosure. This material choice drastically reduces the overall weight of the iPad Mini 8 while providing exceptional structural rigidity, preventing any flexing or bending when tossed into a packed bag. The edges are slightly contoured to ensure an incredibly comfortable grip during extended reading or gaming sessions on the iPad mini 8. Apple is also redesigning the internal thermal cooling architecture of the iPad mini 8 from scratch, utilizing a vapor chamber system that efficiently pulls heat away from the core components and dissipates it evenly across the back panel. This means you can push the iPad mini 8 to its absolute limits for hours on end without experiencing any uncomfortable hot spots or performance degradation. The color palette for 2026 is shifting toward deep, sophisticated matte finishes that resist fingerprints and smudges, keeping the iPad mini 8 looking pristine throughout daily use. Connectivity is another area where the iPad mini 8 is set to break records by adopting the latest wireless protocols and wired standards. The single port on the bottom of the iPad mini 8 is getting a massive upgrade to a high-speed universal serial bus standard that supports lightning-fast data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. This enables iPad mini 8 users to connect high-speed external storage arrays, daisy-chain multiple external displays, and even link external graphics processors if needed. For those who rely on wireless workflows, the inclusion of advanced multi-gigabit wireless networking ensures flawless streaming, zero-lag cloud computing, and instantaneous file transfers, even in crowded network environments. The cellular variants of the iPad mini 8 will feature next-generation, high-frequency bands that deliver fiber optic internet speeds on the move, making it a true mobile office for digital nomads and executives. This level of connectivity completely redefines what a portable device can do, transforming the iPad mini 8 from a simple consumption screen into a fully fledged digital hub. Battery life on the iPad mini 8 is receiving a massive boost thanks to a revolutionary stacked battery cell design that maximizes every square millimeter of internal space. Instead of traditional flat packs, the new design layers the energy cells inside the iPad mini 8 to increase overall capacity by nearly 25% without adding a single millimeter of thickness to the device. When combined with the extreme efficiency of the 3nm processor, users can easily expect multi-day battery life under normal usage conditions on the iPad mini 8. Even under heavy loads like continuous video editing or intensive gaming, the iPad mini 8 is engineered to sustain performance for hours longer than its predecessor. Charging speeds are also getting an upgrade with advanced power delivery protocols that can juice up the iPad mini 8 battery from 0 to 80% in just a short break. This focus on endurance ensures that your workflow is never interrupted by a frantic search for a wall outlet.